now we are going to discuss the structure of compounds containing carbon and hydrogen. Compounds containing carbon and hydrogen are called hydrocarbons. Then about the structure of compound, hydrocarbons are mainly classified into compounds containing carbon-carbon single bonds, compounds containing carbon-carbon double bonds, and compounds containing carbon-carbon triple bonds. So first we are going to discuss the structure of compounds containing carbon-carbon single bonds. First we are going to write a compound with one carbon atom. One carbon. So write a carbon atom, and we know that there are 4 valencies in the valence shell of carbon. So draw 4 lines, and this is a hydrocarbon. So the remaining valencies of carbon are satisfied by hydrogen. If only one carbon, the valencies of carbon and that carbon is satisfied by hydrogen atoms. And this is structure of first member in the alkane series. Alkane. Carbon-carbon single bond compounds are called alkanes. So this is the first member in the alkane series. Structure. C. Molecular formula C. How many hydrogen atom? H4. CH4. Okay. So the name of the compound is methane. M-E-T-H-A-N-E. Methane. The next member in the alkane family is obtained by writing 2 carbon atoms. The molecule contains 2 carbon atoms. So write 2 carbon atoms. The next member is, the structure of the next member is, write 2 carbon atoms. 2 carbon atoms. Then from each carbon put 4 lines like this. Then sharing. We know that alkanes are compounds containing carbon-carbon single bonds. So sharing of electrons. Join these 2 lines. And we get an alkane with how many carbon atoms? 2 carbon atoms. And the valencies of carbon are satisfied by hydrogen atoms. So valency first, the pair of electrons form a single bond between 2 carbon atoms, and the remaining valencies in the carbon atoms are satisfied by hydrogen atoms. And the molecular formula of the compound is how many carbon atoms? 2. So C2, how many hydrogen atoms? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. C2H6. And the name of the compound is, if 2 carbon atoms are there, ETHANE, ethane. Name of the compound is ethane. So molecular formula CH4 is methane, C2H6 is ethane. This is the structure of ethane. Next we are going to draw the structure of hydrocarbon containing 3 carbon atoms. Alkane with 3 carbon atoms. So write 3 carbon atoms. We know that there are 4 electrons in the valence shell. So put 4 lines like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then alkanes are compounds containing carbon-carbon single bonds. Single bond is formed by sharing of 2 electrons, a pair of electrons between carbon atoms. So join these 2 lines. Join these 2 lines. So single bonds. Carbon-carbon single bond, carbon-carbon single bond. Then the remaining valencies in each carbon are satisfied by hydrogen. So write hydrogen atoms like this. H. This is the structure of a hydrocarbon with the 3 carbon atoms. And this compound belongs to alkanes. And the molecular formula is C3H6. C123, H12345. 6, 7, 8. C3H8 is the molecular formula of the compound, and the name of the compound is, if there are 3 carbon atoms, the name is propane. Propane. P-R-O-P-A-N-E. Propane. So there is a carbon-carbon. There are 2 carbon-carbon single bonds, and the compound is propane. Next, we are going to write the structure of hydrocarbon with the 4 carbon atoms, and it contains carbon-carbon single bonds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 carbon atoms. So 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon, and we know that each carbon has 4 electrons in the outer shell. So put 4 lines from each carbon. Then carbon-carbon single bonded compounds are formed by sharing of electrons, mutual sharing of electrons. So join the valencies between 2 carbon atoms. Then the remaining valencies of each carbon are satisfied by hydrogen, because these compounds they belongs to hydrocarbon. They are hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons with carbon-carbon single bonds are called alkanes. And this compound, the name of the compound with the 4 carbon is called butane. The molecular formula is C4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then how many hydrogen? 3 plus 2, 5 plus 2, 7 plus 3, 10. H10. The name of the compound is butane. Then next member is this compound contain 5 carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then from each carbon draw 4 lines. So 5 carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then from each carbon put 4 lines. So put 4 lines from each carbon. Then this this compound is a hydrocarbon with the carbon-carbon single bond. So join the lines or valencies, we get the carbon-carbon single bonds. The remaining valencies of each carbon are satisfied by hydrogen atoms. Hydrogen atoms. So do not write other atoms, because these compounds are hydrocarbons. And the formula of the compound is C5H12. There are 5 carbon atoms in the compound, so the name is pent. So carbon-carbon single bonds are there, so the name pentane. Pentane. So molecular formula or compounds with of hydrocarbon with 1 to 5 carbon atom is required per syllabus. So molecular formula CH4, name of the compound is methane. Then C2H6 is ethane. If there are 2 carbon atoms, the name of the compound is ETHANE. If there are 3 carbon atoms, propane. 4 carbon atoms, butane. 5 carbon, pentane. Then if suppose there are 6 carbon atoms, we know that the word is hex. For 6 we use the word hexane. If there are 7, heptane. If there are 8 carbon in the molecule, octane. 9 carbon, nonane. 10 carbon, decane. Okay. So we know for per syllabus we need up to hydrocarbon containing 5 carbon atoms. So by heart the structure, molecular formula and the name of the compounds in alkane family. Next, we are discussing about the structure of compound containing carbon-carbon double bond. Carbon-carbon double bond. So carbon can form multiple bond, and the compound hydrocarbons which contain carbon-carbon double bonds are called alkenes. 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 So alkenes are compounds containing carbon-carbon double bonds. So as per syllabus we need the structure of alkene which contain 2 carbon atoms. So first you write 2 carbon atoms. Then there are 4 valencies for each carbon, and we know that alkenes are compounds containing carbon-carbon double bond. So a carbon atom can form a double bond with neighboring carbon atom by sharing of 2 pairs of electrons. So if the question is alkene, you have to draw 2 lines. Alkenes, double bonded compound. Then the remaining valencies of carbon are satisfied by hydrogen atoms. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 electrons are there, but 2 are used for the formation of double bond with neighboring carbon atom, and the remaining 2 carbon valencies are satisfied by hydrogen. So from this carbon also put the sufficient number of lines, then write hydrogen atoms. So this is the structure of hydrocarbon containing carbon-carbon double bond. So we cannot write alkene with one carbon because alkenes are compounds containing carbon-carbon double bond. So minimum how many carbon atoms are required? 2 carbon atoms are required to write the structure of alkenes. And this is the first member in the alkene series, alkene family, and the molecular formula of the compound is how many carbon atoms? 2. C2. How many hydrogen atoms? 4 hydrogen atoms. C2H4. And the name of the compound, we know that if the compound has 2 carbon atoms, the name begins with the eth. Then there is a double bond. So ending of the compound is ene, ethene. What is the name of the compound? Ethene. And now we are going to draw the structure of compound with the carbon-carbon triple bonds. And carbon-carbon triple bonded compounds are under the family alkynes. Alkynes, K-Y-N-E-S. So alkynes are compounds containing carbon-carbon triple bond. So to write the molecular formula, minimum how many carbon atoms are required? 2 carbon atoms are all required here also. So alkynes are compounds containing carbon-carbon triple bond. A triple bond is formed by mutual sharing of electrons. How many pairs are shared between 2 carbon atoms? 3 pairs of electrons are shared by between 2 carbon atoms, and therefore each carbon has 1 valency free. So put 1 line, and this valency is satisfied by hydrogen atom. This is the structure of the first member in the alkyne family. And this compound also has how many carbon atoms? 2 carbon atoms. Hence the name of the compound begins with the ETH. If there are 2 carbon atoms, the name begins with the 2 carbon, ETH. And there is a triple bond. So what is the ending? ETH. Then write YNE. Hence the name of the compound is ETHYNE, ethyne. And the molecular formula of the compound is C2H2. C2H2. So C2H2 is ethyne, and this is the molecular formula. And in ethyne there is a carbon-carbon triple bond. So minimum how many carbon atoms are required to draw the lowest molecule with the lowest number of carbon? 2 carbon. Okay. 2 carbon atoms are required to write the simplest molecule of an alkyne. So name the first member in the alkyne family, ETHYNE, ethyne. So by heart the structure and name and molecular formula of ETHYNE. So today we discussed about the names of alkanes, members in alkane family, alkene and alkyne. From alkane family, we learned the names and structures of 5 compounds. The first compound is methane, next second ethane, propane, butane, pentane. Then from alkene family, we learned the structure of ETHENE, ethene. And from alkyne family, the structure of ETHYNE, ethyne. Ethyne is a compound having the molecular formula C2H2. So for ethene and ethyne, or for alkynes and alkenes, minimum how many carbon atoms are required? 2 carbon atoms are required, because there is a carbon-carbon double bond. Carbon-carbon double bond is a must in alkenes, and a carbon-carbon triple bond is a must in alkynes. So draw the structure, write the molecular formula and the name of the compound.